Hey everybody, welcome to the 906. If you're new here, thanks for stopping in and checking this out. If you're not new, thanks for coming back and checking this one out. I want to get out in the woods today and do some cutting. I got some trees I want to take down, but it's 85 degrees and 9,000% humidity today, so I opted to do a little maintenance work on the Kubota. So I thought I'd set the camera up and take you guys along. Okay, first thing we're going to do is change engine oil. I believe it's 100 hours. Every 100 hours change oil, every 200 change filter. I just change the filter and the oil every time. So, just gonna get this oil draining. I let it run just a bit, just to warm it up some. And if you're not familiar with the Kubota, you got two engine oil drain plugs, one on each side. You got a drive shaft running through the center of the oil pan, so you want to make sure you take both of them out of there. Then I should have taken the oil cap off because we got a little bit of a vacuum situation going on. Yeah, that works a little better. So I'm just going to go ahead and let this drain here, make sure it's all drained out of there. All right, that looks pretty good. Got her all drained out. Go ahead and put the plugs back in it. And we'll move on to the filter. Okay, so here we are at the filter. Pretty straightforward. On the right hand side of this tractor. Get her loosened up. I got my drain pan underneath there. So we got the new filter here. I just put a little bit of clean oil on the seal. Just keeps it from sticking to the block next time you take it off of there. That's all we do there. Can't fill it up because it's on its side. So we'll go ahead and get this reinstalled. So that's all there is to that. New filter installed. I'm using a Wix filter. Kubota, of course, recommends Kubota filters. We are long gone from any kind of warranty claim on this tractor. I believe it's a 2005 or 6 model. So we go with the Wix. I try to use Wix on everything I own, so I think it's a good quality filter. So we got the funnel there. Not the most convenient place to pour oil into this with the loader on there, but we're gonna give it a shot and see how much oil I spill. With the loader off of here, this is no problem, but with the loader on, it's a little bit of a task. Oh, look at that. I didn't even spill any of it yet. Of course, this takes 6 quarts. I got a 5-quart jug in this single quart here. So that was the easy part. Like I said, that was the easy part. Now we got the big jug. See how much I can make a mess here. Well, it must be my day. The hydraulic hoses on the loader are right in the way, so I'm having to hold them out of the way while I pour. And of course, it's going to be tougher to get the last of it in there because I can't tip the jug up all the way. Might have to transfer into the single quart and finish it off that way. We'll see how much I can get out of it. So that's pretty much it for changing oil on this thing. Pretty basic. Filter's easily accessible. Just remove a side panel here and a couple of plugs on the bottom and away you go. So if anybody wants to do their own oil change on the tractor, I would highly recommend it. I can't imagine what the service places would charge you to do a simple service like this. Well, like I said earlier, must be my day. I haven't spilled anything yet. If I keep talking long enough, I will though. Well, there it is. 6 quarts of oil in it. I didn't spill a single drop. Kind of amazing. The owner's manual recommends 530 or 1030 in this, which I don't know. I always thought diesels took 15 something, but so we went ahead and we're just using a 10W30 full synthetic. Okay, with the oil change done, I just went around and hit all the grease fittings on the loader. You got a bunch of pins here. You want to keep greased up. I do have one over on the other side that I might have to remove the pin. It won't take grease. You got fittings on the hydraulic rams. And some fittings here on these rams on your main loader. And then there is a few on this model in the back here. These arms, of course your adjustable arms got some fittings in it. But other than that, we got a bunch of dirt work we're going to start doing here in the next couple of days for up where we're going to build our sawmill shed. So we got to get the oil changed and it greased up and get it ready for that. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this up. It's still 9,000% humidity here. So I'm going to go try to find something to do in a cooler place than here. Thanks everybody for watching. Have a great day.